Hello everyone, you're welcome to Delicious Kitchen. Today I'm so happy to have you all here on my channel. Thank you so much to all you, my friends, my subscribers, my supporters. Thank you for your time. I appreciate you. God bless you. Newcomers, you're also welcome. Please remember to subscribe, remember to like and share. We are making air fried potatoes. Yes, this is so simple, tasty. You don't need to do much thing, okay? You can see those are the potatoes I'll be using today, already washed and dried. You can just use your kitchen towel, your kitchen paper to pat dry it, and then you're ready to go, okay? So I'm showing you, I have different sizes. They have XL, I have XXL, and I have medium. Now just get the fork and poke some holes on your potatoes, because this will enable all the ingredients we'll be using to enter into the potato that will penetrate into it. Be careful, don't wound yourself with the fork. That is olive oil. You can use vegetable oil, you can use coconut oil. I'll be using olive oil today. Now you have to take your potato one after the other and rub the olive oil or vegetable oil on it very well. Just rub it all over. I'll be using garlic. It's optional. I'll be using garlic. I love this potato with garlic. You're going to love it if you try it. And I'm going to use coriander. It's also optional. Salt, of course. Just sprinkle some salt over it. And feel free to add any other seasoning you're used to, okay? Now you have to take your potato one after the other and rub it well all over it. So this is ready to be air fried now. Now get your air fry pan. You can just cover it with baking paper, or just to be easy, you know, to clean. That's the reason why I use the baking paper. Now transfer the potatoes into the pan and put it now into your air fryer. You now have to air fry at 200 centigrade for 50 to 55 minutes. It depends. I only spent 50 minutes on this. I must be honest with you. After 25 minutes, you have to stop it and just flip it over. Just bring it out, flip it over, and put it back into the air fryer and let it continue for the rest of 25 minutes. Okay, you know, we program it to 50 minutes and I stopped at 25 minutes, and now the 25 minutes is now on. So after the last 25 minutes, after 50 minutes, you can see it is now ready. This is so simple, guys. This is so simple. Remember to subscribe if you haven't, and if you like what you're watching, please like and share, of course. Now let's serve our oven air fryer fried potatoes. Yeah, you can use your oven as well, but air fryer made it so simple. Okay, it is well done. It is well done. I'll be serving this with mayo. You can serve it with sour cream, yeah, and sprinkle some dill or oregano or whatever you like, or your lovely seasoning. Just sprinkle some on it, and it is now time to taste this. Guys, come and join me. This is yummy, guys. I need to finish this. We'll continue the video later. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed.